With the increasing innovation of ground calcium carbonate technology, in many fields, the use of superfine modified GCC instead of precipitated calcium carbonate has gradually become a trend. As well know, the main advantages of PCC are large specific surface area, large volume, lightweight and good filling. But with the continuous improvement of fineness of GC can the increasing liquidity modification process. All kinds of rubber, pipe, calendatory film, nylon plastic and other industries shave begun to more than 2000 mesh superfine GC instead of PCC. This product is solid-coated calcium carbonate. At present, the settlement volume of CC can be more than 2.6 ml/g, reaching thelavelophilofi, quality PCC. And a soil, hydrophobic characteristics. Compared with traditional PCC, CC has better dispersion and liquidity. And acid bio's advantages in whiteness, oil absorption value, price, and stability. The final products also have a better toughness and gloss. Therefore, in addition to some strict requirements of ultra-light products in the industry, more and more manufacturers begin to superfine modified ground calcium carbonate instead of PCC.